blessing talaga kapag nabibigyan ako ng pagkakataon makapagbigay ng inspirasyon sa mga kabataang Pilipino. Kaya naman, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip pa nung tinanong ako ni Father Ben Beltran na mag-record ng kanta para mas lalong mahikayat ang mga out-of-school youth na magbalik eskwela.
Remember? Yours. The same in from Sweden for just one day.
Hello guys! Nandito ako ngayon sa Narration Studio para po sa recording ko ng isang song na kinompose po ni Father Ben Beltran. Ayan, si Father Ben po ang nagkaroon po ng idea na para sa advocacy po na ito, supportahan yung mga out-of-school youth. Bigyan po sila ng libreng edukasyon.
6.4 million Filipinos, 15 to 29 years old, from unfinished school. Yan ang tinatawag niya. So, yung utak ng bata, talagang computer na. So, tama-tama ito.
Yung first time na narinig ko yung tungkol sa project na ito, headed by Father Ben, na it's for a good cause. Siyempre, hindi na tayo nagdalawang isip pa kasi yun na lang yung kumbaga isa sa paraan para mag-give back sa kanila. At syempre, natutuwa din ako kay Father Ben. Napaka-genuine yung kanyang passion talaga na mabigyan ng quality education yung mga batang ito.
For every 100 children that enroll in grade 1, 60 will drop out. Only 40 will finish high school and only 10 will finish college. Christ said, give drink to the thirsty and food to the hungry and also knowledge to those who have not finished high school. It's almost the same.
Yan sa amin, pag nakatapos ka ng isang module, may game ka na ilalay.
Nakulit pa ni Father.
Kaya talagang kasama yan. Kasama yan. Gamification ang tawag yan eh.
Father Ben was the parish priest in Tondo during the 30-plus years that Smoky Mountain was in existence and was a bit infamous. This is his project, his energy, his spirit that has gotten all of these accomplishments. And it's individuals like Sarah Geronimo that we have to thank for supporting and for giving their time and their talent to wonderful projects like this.
Meron kami ginagawa para na game eh, Bayaning Pinoy. So ganun pa rin, lalabanan mo. Pero yung kapre, hindi na mapapatay ng baril o pana o ano. Mapapatay ko siya, may certain chemical na i-mix ka. Chemistry na.
I set up the Sandiwaan Center for Learning. It's an NGO. It caters to the disadvantaged children and out-of-school youth. So what we are trying to do, since many of the young people now are digital, ang naisip namin na i-digitize yung modules ng Department of Education and then they could study in internet cafes or in the malls if they have their own tablet.
Hindi mo ba ano dyan? Hindi mo try? Oo naman!
Sa school may break,
Unlike ever din, malaman din yung
online.
nandun din yung consciousness na kung paano mas magiging madali or mas maabot ng mga bata yung lessons, di ba?
No, at least, parang bukod sa science. So, ano yung bata, na hindi sila na-excite sila.
Para mas ma-enjoy ng mga bata yung pag-aaral, hindi maging boring sa kanila. So, sabi ko nga, Father, gusto ko din i-try.
When I've engaged with Sarah, her humility, her humbleness, her sincerity has been exemplified today in what she's doing. She didn't hesitate. She can't wait to try the software. I mean, Sarah's only request to me today was, can I try the software? Can I try the games? That's Sarah. That's why Sarah G is Sarah G.
Father,
we can make arrangements for Sarah to try that. In the name of the out-of-school youth, maraming salamat.
Father, order the lightning to stop in about 30 seconds.
God yan eh. paglingkuran mo yung mga disadvantage. So may talent si Sarah, may resources ang Viva, di ba? So we're overjoyed.
Rasong kaya ang una, panig nga'y karton, ang init kasaginaw, sa higap ang kariton.
First time ko ma-meet si Father Ben ng recording at siya yung nagsulat ng kanta. Siya yun, na-meet ko si Father Ben, tapos siya yung nag-approve nung recording ko. Yan.
Father, was the melody?
Oo, namimilig. Mabuti at dero.
Oo, namibilid ng mga bote at saryo.
It's become a very inspiring song, and with Sarah singing it, parang nabuo yung idea ni Father, and I'm very very glad that Sarah is helping out. And parang nung nalaman ko na natuwa rin ako na tumutulong din ako maski pa paano.
Ako ay blessed, no, na nandito ako sa industriyang ito at nagiging tool tayo para naiparating sa mga batang ito, sa mga tao, kung ano yung talagang kailangan ng bansa natin. Ang edukasyon, ang magandang pamumuhay, maayos na pamumuhay.